So how do you change the flashlight on an iPhone? Let's explain that. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So it depends on what you exactly mean by changing that specifically, right? But you have most definitely the option to go to the control center and click on the toggle for the flashlight, and you have the ability to adjust the intensity, right? So you can slide it up and down to change sort of like the strength, right, of the flashlight, like that, right? So that's one of the great options, and it depends on your device as well, but you can also just change kind of like not really the intensity but like the focus of the light, or like kind of make it go in one straight line instead of like the spread out light as well. You can control it all in here, right? As I say, it may not work on all of the devices the same way. That is because of a different hardware. Of course, different iPhones have like different camera options, as well as the LED flash next to it, right? So that's like the way you can do this. So that's pretty much how it works. Outside of that, I have to mention that there are also some third-party apps on the App Store which are designed for the flashlight function, but to be honest, I don't believe that it's going to do anything more than using the toggle in the control center anyway. So I would just recommend everybody to go with that option. It's built in, it works well. So that's pretty much the thing that I would go and do on my device. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think, but most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Thanks a lot again, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.